LM Funding America. Could this be the opportunity we've been waiting for? Now, if you haven't heard about SPACs yet, a special purpose acquisition company, this company, LM Funding America, just applied for SPAC registration yesterday on Friday, January 8th. The stock price rose 177% Friday alone, but the sky's the limit. So we're going to explain a little bit about what a SPAC is and what this company intends to do as a special purpose acquisition company in the future. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together and we're going to just grow together. So with that being said, if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, I don't know why, guys. Click the subscribe button, become a bro, and let's grow. Now, we talked about a SPAC at the beginning of this video, LM Funding America. What is a SPAC and what is this one intending to do? So a SPAC stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Company, and they've got one job in mind. It's to go out and acquire a company and take them public through that acquisition. Now, LM Funding America has obviously been funding different companies and acting in the financial services realm for quite some time now, but with this SPAC registration, they are aiming to acquire a company, a smaller company in the financial tech or the fintech services sector. Now, they're going to go out there, they're going to find a company that they find interesting, that they find profitable, and they find that has huge potential, and they're going to acquire them and take them public. Now, if you don't know, SPACs have been on absolute fire in the last year. With all of the SPAC registrations and all of the SPAC stocks, if you've been interested in any of the penny stocks lately, you know that the majority of them have been SPACs and they've gone public through this SPAC acquisition. So, this could be a chance to get in extremely early before the company goes out and acquires the company that it is intending to do so. So what do I mean by that? A lot of these jumps take place after the company acquires another company, okay? So a SPAC doesn't have day-to-day operations. They're not out there running the business, generating revenue, generating a profit, and all of the stuff that goes on with that. The SPAC company raises the money through the initial public offering, and then they go out and buy a company that is profitable or that they believe could do something in the future. So, the fact that this company just registered for SPAC registration on Friday, January 8th, a day ago, literally, means that we could get in before they have that huge pop up. Now, you might be thinking, they just had a 177% price increase, right? Well, that's because there are so many people interested in SPACs right now and interested in the jump that takes place after the SPAC registration and after the SPAC acquisition, right? So if we're looking at LM Funding America, LMFA is the ticker symbol. This could be our opportunity to get in before the company makes its acquisition. I just want to put this on your radar right now. If we're talking that this company is up 177%, it went from around 70 cents a share to $2 per share. When it finally makes that acquisition, we could see a share price of $4, $5, $6, $7, $10 per share, and the sky's the limit, right? There is a lot of hype that surrounds these acquisitions. It's almost the same thing as an IPO. You can think of it on the same terms of an IPO, right? Because the private company is being made public through the acquisition. So a lot of people get super hyped about IPOs and this price just skyrockets. So when this acquisition takes place, we're very likely to see the same thing happen with LMFA. So if we're able to get in now, when the company finally does make that acquisition in the fintech industry, we could see some huge gains. Now, with that being said, is it going to happen sometime soon? We have no idea. We don't know when LMFA is going to make the decision on who they want to acquire. It could be this week, it could be next week, it could be a year from now. But with that being said, keep in mind, if you see 100% gains, 200% gains, 1000% gains, but you had to wait a year to achieve those gains, Is that a bad thing? I think that's a trade-off anybody would be willing to take. Yes, I waited a year on this investment, but my portfolio rose by 1,000%. So with that, keep that in mind moving forward. Know that LMFA could be our opportunity to get in on a SPAC before it makes that acquisition and before we see a huge rise in price. So if this SPAC is on your radar, LMFA, let me know down in the comments below if this is something you're interested in purchasing, or if you know of another hot SPAC out there or a hot penny stock that's moving the market right now. So with that being said, if you liked the video, don't forget to click that like button. As always, if the subscribe button is red, I don't know why, guys, make sure you click that subscribe button, become a bro, join the channel, and let's grow our portfolios together in 2021. So as always, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.